Yo, what's up? I'm Drei, just an ordinary student athlete of USLS College. So I found this old camcorder that my mom used. Had it since 2015, same year that I got in the varsity team. I'm just trying to do new things, because life's kind of boring right now. So I tried filming some clips of my school life and compile it in this video. Film some of my friends and teammates. You know what? Anyways, I'ma shut up now and just roll the clips. Alright.
It's okay, I'm fine. Ulag na. Paano magpa-repeater?
A day in the life of a grade 12 student in USLS.
Oh my god.
Tambay edition. Let's go!